Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making Zongzi. Zongzi are also known as rice dumpling. It's a traditional Chinese rice dish made of glutinous rice, stuffed with different filling, and wrapped in bamboo leaves. Zongzi are traditionally eaten during the Duanwu festival or Dragon Boat festival, you can say that. The date of the Duanwu festival this year is June 14, so we still have time to make it. Let's get started! Here is everything we need. First step, I'm going to wash the glutinous rice and soaking in the cold water. Wash it. Soak it for 4 hours. Okay, for the dried mushrooms, wash it. Dump the water. Okay, dump it again. Soak it for 1 hour. For the dry shrimp, put it in the container. Wash it. Soak it for 30 minutes. For the dried radish, wash it twice and drain the water. And put it on the cutting board. Cut it into tiny pieces. Okay, like so. And put it in a container. For the shallots, cut off the roots and peel off the outside skin. Okay, and then chop it. Alright, and then I'm going to fry it. Use a wok. Turn on the heat to the high heat and add 1 cup of oil. And add the chopped shallots inside to fry it until it's golden brown. Okay, keep stirring. Alright, so the shallot is turning golden brown. Let's turn off the heat and move the shallot in a container. Okay, and now I'm going to cut the bamboo shoot. Cut the bamboo shoot in 32 pieces because we are making 32 dumpling, rice dumpling, Zongzi. For the pork belly, cut into 32 pieces, 1 piece per Zongzi. Okay, use a big pot. Turn the heat to the high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and 3 tablespoons of ice sugar. Okay, stir until it's melted. As you can see, the rock sugar is melted and turning brown. I'm going to add the hot water. Be careful, it will spit a little bit. And then turn the heat to the middle heat. And add the pork belly inside. Stir. Make sure the pork belly coating the sugar, the brown sugar. Drain the extra water from the dry shrimp. And I'm going to add the shrimp to the pot. Wow, look at this. So pretty. And add the dry shrimp inside. Keep your temperature at the middle or low heat. Do not burn the pork and the shrimp. Okay, and add the chopped radish. Okay, for the dry mushroom, it's already softened. So dry out the extra water from the mushroom. Put it on the cutting board. Keep the mushroom water. We will need to use that for the sauce. Cut the stem out. After cutting the stem of the mushroom, add the mushroom to the pot. Add the mushroom inside. Also the shallots oil we made earlier. Dump it all in. Add 2 cups of soy sauce and 1 cup of soy paste glaze and 1 cup of rice wine and 3 teaspoons of white spice powder, 2 teaspoons of white pepper powder, and add the mushroom water. Okay, add the water to cover the ingredients. Cover the lid and use middle to low heat to cook for an hour. Okay, open the pot, take out the pork and mushroom. Take out the egg yolk from the package. Put it in the container. The 4-hour timer is up, and then I'm going to drain the water out from the gluten rice. After, take out the pork and the mushroom. This is the sauce we are going to use to mix the gluten rice in. Stir the rice with the sauce evenly. Make sure that the rice is turning brown after done the mixing. Alright, so now the rice is ready. We boil a big pot of water. I'm going to cook the bamboo leaf. So now the water is boiled. Add some oil, about 2 tablespoons, and put the bamboo leaf inside. The reason why we cook the bamboo leaf is because it will be easier to wrap with the rice and the filling. Otherwise, it will easy to break when we actually wrap it. And the oil is the coating for the leaves, so it won't stick the rice on the leaf. Okay, and turn the heat to the low heat and cover with lid to let it cook for 10 minutes. Time's up. Turn off the heat and move the pot to the sink. Remove the bamboo leaf to the sink. Turn on the cold water. Use a scrubber to clean both sides of the leaf. Cut the stem for each leaf. I'm going to show you how to tie the tying string. So for each string, cut it in 200 centimeter and fold it in half. So for here, tie a knot here, so you can hold it on the holder. Okay, so each set can hold 6 rice dumpling, Zongzi, or you can do double the amount as well. Okay, put the string set on the holder. So cut the egg yolk in half because today I'm going to make a smaller rice dumpling. Also the pork and the bamboo shoot and the mushroom, also cut in a smaller piece. 2 bamboo leaf, the shiny side facing down. Okay, the other one overlap like this. Okay, and twist to make a pouch like this. Okay, I'll show you the back side. Okay, give a tool of the pouch, make it strong. Okay, and add some rice. Put the pork belly, egg yolk, bamboo shoot, also the mushroom, and cover it with rice. Okay, use your finger to make a triangle, and the other hand press down like this, and close it. Fold the leaf. Pick 2 pieces of twine to wrap it in 2 times, and give it a knot. And the second one is the butterfly knot, like this. So when you are going to eat, you just pull this knot and it's easy to open. Okay, small dumpling. Alright, so the rice dumpling is ready to cook. Put all your dumpling in an instant pot. Okay, cover with water. The water must cover the dumpling. Okay, they got all covered. Put the lid on. Let's cook for 30 minutes. Alright, after the 30 minutes timer is done, put the rice dumpling inside to let it release the pressure naturally. Okay, voila. Let's take out the rice dumpling, Zongzi. So you can eat it right away, or you can hand it dry and put it in the refrigerator and eat it within 7 days. So every time you want to eat, just cut one string and reheat it. Okay, the string, the butterfly knot we make it earlier, so just not equal. Okay, and then we can open one dumpling. Easy. Smells very good. The bamboo leaf. So, ooh. Drizzle the chili sauce on top. Wow. So this two sauce is a good companion for the Zongzi, and sprinkle some cilantro leaves on top. It's heavenly, perfect. I gotta say this is not so easy, but for my first time of the Zongzi, I think it's still okay. So if you're interested to make Zongzi for yourself or for your family and friends, try this recipe. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.